Today I'm going to be talking about how I started my trading journey and how you can do the same. So the first thing what I wondered was where to trade in India and where to legally trade in India and how you can also legally trade in India. So first thing what you would need is you would need a demat account. So the best broker in India currently is Zerodha. It is very beginner friendly. You can open your free account. You can do stocks, derivative, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, and a lot of things. They also have their own apps. For example, Streak or Console or Kite is where you would trade. Sensible is a platform in which you can look at basically you can do practice trades over here. You can simulate your trades. Small case and coin are there, mutual funds and ETF platforms, and you can have a look at this. After that, I came across a few channels. I searched on YouTube on how to start trading. So I came across Booming Bulls, which is Anish Singh Thakur's YouTube channel. And if you go to videos and the oldest videos, here what he has done is he showed us live trades in which uh, he showed his psychology and how things go. He made, I don't know if he has removed the videos, but he made a very in-depth basic tutorial on how to trade, and you wouldn't understand all of this in the first go. I had to watch his videos for at least three times till I figured out everything and I was clear with the trading lingo. Um, so he is one of my first mentors, who got me into trading, and he explained everything in a um, very easy to understand and a beginner friendly way. So you can have a look at Anish. It took me around 3 months to get used to all of the trading lingo and the basic things. Then after that, you would need is a platform called TradingView, which is used across basically everybody uses TradingView to trade. So what you have over here is charts. uh, what you can do is you can search for any stock which you want and it will show you its chart like this. Let me refresh this. So basically you can search for any stock, funds, futures, cryptos, bonds, anything whichever you want. They have the full data of every on each and everything. You want to look at commodities, Bitcoin, everything is over here. What you can do is if you want you want to look at 1 minute candles, you can look at that. If you want to study like a long term thing, you can look at this also. Then the next few YouTubers which I came across was Mr. PR Sundar. um, he does option selling. uh, Anish Singh Thakur did option buying, and PR Sundar did option selling. So even he was a very good mentor. He has like mission options, option trading, the entire course. You can have a look at this. He does basically daily videos on market analysis, pre-market report, post-market report. You can have a look at him. This is a very good channel. He has his own course also, where he teaches. I don't know what he currently teaches, but when I was looking at him, he used to teach basically firefighting in option selling. Another channel which I came across was NiftyBN. Uh, this was this is channel by Shreyas Bandi, and so main thing what he did was he does option selling. Uh, he does option selling and he does live trading. He shows live and his mentality as he shows his mentality and what goes through in a trader's mind while he's taking trades. So just let this ad skip and I'll let you know. So he
Right now.
uses Zerodha.
I reached Hyderabad yesterday to do much or any effort, given that.
So he uses Zerodha and he's currently showing like the his trades and what was his mentality and how many trades he took. So what he's showing over here is basically a um, call, covered call on his stocks. This is also a strategy which you can use. I'll make in-depth videos on all of the different trading styles later. Then another person is Alpha Leo Capital. Even he is similar uh, to NiftyBN, and even he does option selling and live trading is the main thing. So even he uses Zerodha.
Take that decision if there is.
So you can have a look at his candle. He shows his entire process, what went wrong, what went right, why he did what he did. This is also another major uh, major motivation is Subhashish, uh, who runs a channel called Power of Stocks. His basically mentality, and he's more into psychology of things. I like his psychology. He's doing a series on he does everything. He does option selling, option buying, he does trading, everything he does. And he I find him very humble. um, then another trader which I came across, he was one of the first persons who I came across. And what he does is swing trading, basically trading in stocks. And he has recorded his entire journey of how he quit his job to pursue trading. And all he does is, if you don't want to get into options or derivatives market, you can go into swing trading. So, and also Zerodha has its own trading trading learning platform called Varsity. It is free, and you can also learn a lot of things from this. It is like very beginner friendly. So this is the entire uh, people. Uh, these are the entire YouTubers and how I came across different trading styles, and how I'll make another video of where I am right now as a trader and what trading style I'm doing. Comment if you want to know what trading styles what trading style am I using right now. And that's it for today. Thank you.